Gopal Sarma. I'm a senior partner at Bain. I've been with Bain now for almost 15 years. And I lead our work across emerging markets in the areas of construction, real estate, and infrastructure. So I'll give you an example of an actual manufacturing facility. We do a lot of what we call managed value engineering. Is how do you do the project faster, and how do you actually look at better costing for components? Because I can give you an example of a small power plant, a solar power project, where again, at the end of the day, it is a manufacturing unit. You're bringing 5 modules together. Very large automobiles unit, where I think the key there was actually, can we make the critical path was getting the lines up and running. The philosophy behind doing each of these is pretty much the same.
Yep.
Okay. Number 1, time is money.
Yeah.
Second, a project is not complete when the activities are all complete. It is complete when the risks are at 0. And I would strongly advise the entire projects group that is listening to this. Tag the risk to every critical path item. If you manage the risk, your critical path will get managed. Most project organizations are solving in a very linear fashion. Okay, this is the plan. Let me monitor each vendor. Okay. The projects organizations that have actually been most spectacularly successful are the ones that go way beyond a monitoring role to a partnering role. Being combative with your delivery partners actually doesn't give you good outcomes.